Hi everyone, my name is Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're here to showcase the June single full arch door. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, we're here with the front portion, the exterior portion of our June single full arch door. This actual door is in a 42 by 96 spec, so you're going to be looking at the measurements from outside of jamb to outside jamb. One thing to remember about all of our doors, the measurements are including the jamb, not just the door opening, so keep that in mind when you're ordering. This door has a full top to bottom glass. We don't have a kick plate on this, so this lets in a lot of light. This door is actually really cool and really popular door to make for wine cellars. A lot of people like the grapevine look. You're going to get these leaves, these detailed leaves, along with grapes, making it really kind of a traditional type of wine cellar door. Typically with the wine cellar, we'll have it without the threshold. This actual spec door has the threshold on it, so this is made for exterior door. That threshold is welded onto the frame, so this is one full piece, making install really easy on this one. You do get the nice 2-inch iron here to actually expand the glass out more, giving you more view. And then we cut out the lock plate here with the bore holes so that you can actually fit a lock on it as well. Everything's 12 gauge steel, like in all of our doors. It's fully insulated with polyurethane foam for insulation. With this arch top, you're going to get the glass that's going to match the full arches design. With the flat top, you get a flat glass that matches that design. Again, you can customize this with any top, any glass. A lot of people like the low E glass on this one because it is clear and it provides so much of a view with how much space you have with this glass. The glass is actually operable as well, which I'll show you when we flip this guy around. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I'll show you a couple things. One more thing to see on here, this is just a vice grip to keep the door on the stand. This isn't included with the door. Don't worry about, you won't have to see that every time you're looking at your front door. All right, back at it with the June single full arch. This is the interior side of the door. As you can see, this glass panel is gigantic. See how big this glass panel is? Makes visibility very clear with this type of door. That's why a lot of people like to go with this type of door with the low E glass, so you can see so much. But again, you can customize this with one of our distortion glasses, a frost glass, so it's opaque and you could just see a silhouette in the black background. But this is hinged separately, and when you remove this, it creates the door is actually a lot lighter, so it'll be a lot easier to move around and install during that process. But once you get this door on, you shouldn't really have to remove this much anyways. And then to close it up, you're just going to flip this around, turn it clockwise, and you're locked in, ready to go. This glass is going to be dual pane, like I said before, tempered glass, hinged separately right here, so you don't have to worry about both hinges working the same glass panel in the door. Now you do get this larger hinge for the door itself with a grease fitting, a Zerk fitting on top, which makes this really easy to grease up and lubricate without having to remove this big old hefty door from the hinges every time or every year when you have to do that. Our standard installation tabs are here with offset holes for lag bolts. It gives it a little bit of flexibility during your install process. And see again with this low E glass how even from the interior side you can see all the little details of the leaves and the grapes, which is it's a nice touch, especially when you have this clear low E see-through glass. The lock plate comes out into the interior portion as well, so you can fit one of those interior portion locks. You do get the tab on the upper as well, and you're going to do with the single doors here, you're going to have a 1-inch visible jamb with a 6-inch deep jamb once again. Again, customizable. Just give us a call. We could do pretty much, I'm not going to say anything, but quite a bit with these types of doors. So the glass actually has dual seals on it. There's a seal on the glass panel itself and a seal on the iron where it actually meets, to actually prevent a lot of any type of exterior outside variables from coming in, like wind and all that and noise. So yeah, it's a really cool door, especially for wine cellars. If you're looking to get a wine cellar door, we can make this without the threshold, and it'll look really nice in there and make people be able to see all of your wine without having to even open the door. So yeah, this is a really cool door. We have a lot of people loving this thing, and you can find it online today. Thank you so much. All right, everyone, that was our showcase of the June single full arch door. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@pinkiesIronDoors.com, or feel free to give us a call at 1-844-843-6677. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.